All right, Matt, this is the, what's this thing play? The little, oh, the Big Thompson. Big Thompson, Colorado. Found a great place to fish right over here. Actually, we fished in two places. One was a private place. The guy let us fish there. Said we can come back anytime we want to. That'll be kept secret until you get here. Nice place here. I'll show you in a second if I don't kill myself getting there, but it's actually a little path. Go right through here. So Big Thompson River. Here's the river here. That's where we've been fishing. Got several in here. Kept one. There's Don. You remember Don. He's knocking them dead out here.